Are you ready for a robotics revolution in your living room? Imagine a full-sized humanoid robot, one that can walk, move its arms, and manipulate objects, costing less than your smartphone. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Hugging Face just made it real. Meet Hope GR, the $3,000 humanoid robot that's about to shake up the entire industry. Hope GR isn't just another robot. It's open source, fully programmable, and boasts an incredible 66 degrees of freedom. That means 66 independent movements, from lifelike arm gestures to walking across your floor. Want a robotic assistant that you can actually afford? Hope JR is set to start shipping by the end of 2020, and you can already join the waitlist. But here's the real game changer. While rivals like Tesla's Optimus and Unitree's G1 cost anywhere from $16,000 to $30,000, Hope JR comes in at a fraction of the price. And because it's open source, you're not locked into any one company's software. Tinkerers, developers, and dreamers can all build, modify, and innovate without limits. Picture this: a robot you can teach, upgrade, and personalize. Want it to fetch your coffee, help with chores, or even become your coding companion? The possibilities are endless. Hugging Face's CEO says it best. This is about making sure robotics isn't dominated by a few big players with dangerous black box systems. With Hope Jr., the future of robotics is open, affordable, and finally, within reach. So, what would you do with a $3,000 humanoid robot in your home? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. Hit that like button if you're ready for the robot revolution, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on Hope GR and the future of AI robotics. The age of accessible humanoid robots starts now. Will you be part of it?